You can always count on ShopRite to keep it on trend. And what is trendier right now than chopped sandwiches and Caesar salad? Today we're making a Caesar salad chopped sandwich. Making a Caesar salad is super simple. All you need is Caesar dressing, some crunchy lettuce, chicken if you like chicken, some cheese, and the best bread possible, a baguette or a hero roll. A chopped sandwich is like a grinded sandwich, but you just get everything on your table and layer, and chop it all together. We're gonna start with romaine lettuce because it is the crunchiest. Then you're gonna have your chicken. I don't really think I have to show you how to grill chicken, right? This recipe works great for leftover chicken from the night before. Parmesan cheese and your favorite Caesar dressing. If you're like me, I love anchovies. Even though Caesar dressing has anchovies in it, I'm gonna put a little bit extra for a little bit more punch. Let's get chopping. You hear that crunch? This is gonna be really good. Chopped sandwiches are really an on-the-go person sandwich who really likes to put everything they love together in between two pieces of bread. Most Caesar salad has croutons in it, but because we're gonna use a baguette or a hero roll, you really don't have to have croutons in this. Part of the reason why this sandwich got really popular is that as you chop everything together, they marry each other and they become this beautiful, melodious flavor bomb. Once you get the chopped sandwich mix to the consistency that you like, it's time to get this into your bread. And remember, safety first. Never use the blade of a knife to get your mix into your bread. Invest in a scraper. It's easy, efficient, and super safe. It's time to get scooping. You can wrap this up and take it pretty much anywhere, to the office, to school, picnics, and you can even say you had your salad for the day. And there you are, Wablam, a chicken Caesar chopped sandwich. If you're loving this recipe, like and follow for more.